All right, guys, I want to quickly show you how to maximize your social media accounts and make money online with programs. I'm going to mention some companies. You can do this with any product. It's just the skill is what's everything. So right now, guys, I'm going to pull up my ideology on how you guys can start making some simplicity money right now. This is a domain service. They have some website building products in the back office, professional emails. This is to get you started, to get you in the door. But what's so key about this company is your www dot, your name or whatever you want to call your www dot. For example, mine is relaxingmoney.ws. It can pay you. You want to start monetizing every software and resource you have if you can. So this can be a product within itself, but right here, I'm a silver coordinator. You know, I have some members underneath me, but right here, I simply use this to funnel to my business. And what's also so cool about this is right now they just added this Linktree service. So if we come to my domain and we go look at what it says, this is another software that they have. You see right here, you have my retirement plan, which I'm going to show you. You have the software I have right here, and here is the tracker. They have another tracker software within, but it actually brings you to this company. So you have to get this software in order to use and track your clicks. So we're going to keep it simple in this video. So the program that we're going to be using, this is the actual product. We got our www dot. So we have our professional domain, email. Now we need a product to make the money. So here's a company that's been around for over a decade, which is key in this business. You want a company that knows what they're doing. Most importantly, this is where people fail. It's the product. The product is very key. It doesn't matter the price point right away. It just matters, are you going to want to speak about this and use this product? You see here, if you travel, if you eat out, if you have a car and home insurance, credit repair software, this membership is going to be something you can use every day. If you have those things and you also want legal services, simple will, some more mentorship, and a better travel portal, we have this. And if you want all of that, and maybe you want roadside teledoc, you want dental discounts, vision discounts, maybe you're on prescription, you want prescription discounts, tax preparation, tax counseling, free helpline, maybe you use Zoom or want to use Zoom, and you want discounts on that as well, and you're going to get some vouchers down here. So this is nothing I have to sell to you. You know, this is not a program I have to sell to you, and I don't have to say, hey, you got to get this one, or hey, you got to get this one. It's whatever and wherever you fall. That's the key. Just this software alone, a lot of people can use. Just this software alone, a lot of people will want. Now, as far as making money in this niche, proof's in the pudding. So at gold, you're going to get paid $20 when someone purchases a gold. You're going to get paid $50 when someone purchases a platinum, and you're going to get paid $100 when someone purchases a titanium. In the compensation plan, we're going to make a separate video on this, but you can make some very good upfront money. But what's so key about a subscription-based program, because this is monthly, refer for get it free, is you need residual income in this inflation. You need money coming in over and over from work that you did a week ago, a month ago, a year ago. A lot of people are getting into digital marketing and going wild with that, and they're bringing a whole bunch of people in digital marketing. And after those people purchase, unless they purchase something else, they make no more money on them. So now they got to do that again. That's where people burn out. On top of that, I can show you how to do business, etc. But whatever I do, it won't impact you. In this niche, in this direct sales program, what I do in my business impacts you as well. You make money when I make money. I make money when you make money. So this is what happens when you got someone that is new to this, when you got someone that doesn't want to be alone. And let me make sure you guys can see me. Someone that doesn't want to be alone and they want help. In digital marketing, and I'm in digital marketing as well, A lot of the people will tell you, just go watch, go read the product, go look through the product, because they no longer get paid anything from you, and that's where it happens. So even if you're wondering, like, I don't know if this service is for me, because we have other stuff on the back end as well. Use the free calculator when you get to this page. Do you spend money on any of these things in a year? And you'll find out how much money you can save with this program. So that's the vehicle. So when you come here and get your WW dot, and this is all about duplication. When someone else wants to do this business, what are they going to do? They're going to come get their WW dot. They're going to come get their membership. And you're going to make money on the back end with this domain service. And every 5 domains you get in a week, they're going to send you $100 bonus. On the back end, it's a little smaller commission, but this is not, we're not looking to get rich off of this. We're looking to use this as another source of income. This program is where you're going to get the bigger money. And even on top of that, we have some other resources in place for you to run your business 24/7, you know. And even on top of that, this is something you can do on your phone, on your laptop, and you're not stressed out on a call center every day or stressed out trying to do these other work from home things. So this is a great software mixed with an even better product. And this is how you start getting your feet wet in this industry without, having to pay all this money for a digital product. And that be it. You can actually save money, because yes, we want to make money, but we also want to save money as well, guys. And that's one way you guys can start making money online, and one way we're going to be talking about this a lot. These 2 programs have been around for years. I mean, a lot of years. So this is nothing new. So if you want more information, everything's going to be linked down below, or comment info if for some reason you don't see a link. And hope to see you working with us soon, guys. Have a good one.